Hi everyone, it's Anna here. I'm just going to put together a video to show you how to mark the first assessment for the career planning unit. I know there's a few of you new to SpeedGrader, so I just thought I'd put together some instructions, and we did go through it in our training, but this is just a bit of a refresher and focused on this particular unit. So I do need to apologise for my snuffly nose and voice. I'm not feeling 100% at the moment, so hopefully you can understand me okay and follow the instructions. So what you need to do is go into the unit that you're going to be marking in, and then on the left hand column you will find the marks section, and click on this. This takes you into what used to be Grade Centre in Blackboard or similar to, and as you can see there's a list of all the students and there's also their submission. So this is the first assessment. This is actually showing all the learning groups at the moment. So you go in and select just your learning group, and this will bring up the submissions for your group, and you can start working from that. So what you need to do first is go to submission assessment 1 and just click on the green square there. First thing to do is to check on the similarity report, which is similar, was the same as what we used to get when we marked in Blackboard. So click on that and it will show you the report, highlighting the areas of concern, and then it's got all the information that we're familiar with using there. So that's great. So I'll probably just keep that open as I work through. You have that open in another screen or another page. You can keep referring back to it as you mark. So you need to go back and actually open the assessment. So click on the more details in the SpeedGrader to open up the SpeedGrader. And then it will have the assessment and the area to add comments. Now for this first assessment, the marking allocation is 10 minutes and it's basic marking. So what I'm suggesting for us to keep within the 10 minutes is to limit the in-text comments. I'm okay if you don't provide any, or if you want to provide some really key ones in text, you can. Let's focus our feedback on the general comments section here. So you go through and mark as per normal, and then head over here to add your comments. So I'm just going to have my comment marking guidelines open in another screen, and we'll just be doing some cut and paste of the main comment. Okay, and then just add the student's name. Hi Nathan, congratulations. And then you can work through and add the marks for each section. Okay, and if you weren't going to be using text comments, then I go through and find the text comment for that particular section, copy that, and you can tailor it to the specific assessment if you like. If you're wanting to use audio, then you go down and click on the audio as Amanda has shown us on the recording, and you can put your comment in here. So you don't need to do both. If you're using audio, I'd just put a breakdown of the marks in your general comment. If you're using text, then you don't need to do audio. Just refer them, make sure you're referring them if you are doing audio marks. So when you finish going through all of that, you put your final mark in and click submit. And so that's been submitted, and then you close out of that, and then you need to go in and add your mark in this section as well. And then you can see it takes you back to your main group, and you've got that added there. So it's pretty straightforward. Please ask if you've got any questions, and also just be mindful of the time allocated for marking this assessment. Okay, good luck everyone. Thanks.